Hello, kids. Let's practice reading together. Are you ready? Let's go. Da, de, di, do, do. Great job. Let's read again. Da, de, di, do, do. Now listen carefully and read with me. Da, de, di, do, do. Very good. Let's try a new pattern. De, di, do, do, da. Nice reading. You're doing amazing. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun reading lessons. Again, di, do, do, da, de. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Do, do, da, de, di. Great job, kids. Last rotation. Do, da, de, di, do. Excellent. Now, are you ready for a challenge? Let's go faster. Da, de, di, do, do. De, di, do, do, da. Di, do, do, da, de. Do, do, da, de, di. Do, da, de, di, do. Let's do it again. Da, de, di, do, do. De, di, do, do, da. Di, do, do, da, de. Do, do, da, de, di. Do, da, de, di, do. Wow! Ang galing ninyo! Now, let's go back to the start. Da, de, di, do, do. One more time together. Da, de, di, do, do. Great job, kids! Thank you for learning with me today. Please like and subscribe for more fun reading practice. See you in the next lesson.